Hi, I'm Chris. We've been in this house for about 25 years now, and one of the things we did in 2011 was install 15 solar panels on our roof. That was the beginning of our journey. We were fortunate enough to get a feed-in tariff, which has helped us amazingly since. So after we did the solar panels, we bought this Tesla Powerwall 2 battery. It's 13.5 kilowatt hours. In the summer, of course, it charges up from the solar panels. In the winter, it's on a timer at night, taking cheap electricity, so that we basically don't use any electricity during the day that's not off-peak. And then we need to deal with the heating. The question was what to do. This is what we did. We did explore a heat pump option here. It didn't look feasible, at least in terms of cost at that time. 4 years ago, it was looking very expensive. So we went for this zero emissions boiler. Basically, it heats up during the night. It holds 40 kilowatt hours of energy in the form, as I understand it, some sort of concrete, with pipes going through it so that it works as a simple replacement for a gas boiler. We paid, I think it was about £6,000 for the actual zero emissions boiler, and the installation was about £1,000 on top of that. At this point, as far as I know, TEPIO have not yet agreed with government that it should be part of the grant system that's applicable to heat pumps. That's a pity. If that situation changed, it would change the market dramatically, I think, towards zero emission boilers, because there are some people who either don't like heat pumps or for whom a heat pump's not an appropriate installation. So I think this has real potential. And for us, with our system, we've got solar panels, the battery and the ZEB, and I also charge the car, and we do the whole thing for under £1,000 a year, which I reckon is pretty amazing.